And our medicine should be put.
Art Integrated Learning (AIL) is a basic model which is based on learning through the art and with the art. It is a process where art becomes a medium of the learning and a process. A very beautiful good morning to the respected sisters, teachers, and my fellow mates present here. I love Kesh,
Shivani ma'am.
and today biology AIL. And today we have prepared our dish as Sattu Paratha. It is a traditional Bihari dish, vegetarian dish which is made up of sattu and is eaten with curd and chutney. So let's dive to and foods, both of which are in high in soluble fiber which make good for you. And to 12 grams, fat of 8 to 10 grams and fiber which is in less quantity 4 to 6 grams fiber. This paratha is the most potassium of iron, manganese and magnesium and is low on sodium too. Apart from this, those with such should avoid sattu.
Now I will look at myself Ali. I am here with some of my group mates Anuj, Aryan, Sanket and Shekhar to tell all of you about one of the famous Bihari dish that is Litti Chokha.
In this, we are going to tell you about the nutritional value, the benefits of eating it, calories it contains, and also more about it. First of all, Litti Chokha is the main food dish that is a part in the Bihari cuisine. It is nothing but a wheat flour cake that has been salted and baked. Litti is 50 grams and dietary fiber 6.4 grams and also sugar 5 grams. Cholesterol 5.5 milligrams, potassium 580 milligrams and sodium 264 milligrams. So in this dish, there are two things that is chokha and litti. Litti is prepared first of all by the wheat flour that is kneaded and it is then filled with sattu inside it. And on the other hand, chokha is prepared by the main ingredients that are brinjal, tomato and potato. These three ingredients will match into each other and then we add some spices and now I would like to call Anuj for
It can also resume all the body, the Litti Chokha is a contact medium and the fiber it can making the it may saving the present dear ones present here. Today, I Ram Kushwa of class 9th B with my group members is here to standing before you to present a culinary creation with you. We are thrilled to share with this a culinary creation with you that is rice veg chila. Rice veg chila is made up of vegetables, various spices and a batter of rice flour. And there are so many benefits of rice veg chila. These are nutrient. They are having many nutrients.
Carbohydrates 17.8 grams, 6%. Fat 2.5 gram, 8%. And fiber 0 milligram, 0%.
Vitamins, value per days and percentage daily value. Vitamin A 78.8 milligram microgram and 2 percentage. Vitamin B1 0.1 milligram 10 percentage. Vitamin B2 0 milligram 0 percentage. Vitamin B3 0.9 milligram 8 percentage. Vitamin C 1.4 milligram 4 percentage. Vitamin E 0.2 milligram 1 percentage.
minerals. Calcium 12.2 milligram, 2% iron.
You have to add rice flour with some amount of water. Then add finely chopped vegetables such as carrot, onion, capsicum, and along with some spices such as cumin seeds, salt, red chili, and then cook it in the on a hot griddle or pan until it's golden and crispy brown on both sides. Rice with chila is a delicious and tasty snack option. It is often served with chutney or some yogurt.
To one and all present here, we the student of class 9, we are here to present the dish dal bafla. This is a generally dish made in, it is a traditional dish which is famous in Madhya Pradesh, and it is being cooked since ancient time, and it is being on and further will be on. This is a traditional dish which we are using to cook on a special occasion to celebrate our religious ceremony. Now I would like to hand the mic to Radhika. After being soaked in water for few hours,
Dish of Indian household. It is full of protein, fibers, vitamin A, vitamin C, and in addition to a great source of proteins and vitamins, fibers, it is also beneficial in blood formation and healthy for bones. Nutrition value of dal: carbohydrate is 6% and fat 4%, and proteins are in dal 13% and fibers are 14%. Let me handle the mic to
everyone present here. I, Darshana Sharma, the group leader. I, Ashi Mehra, the group member. I, Deepika Jain, the group member, are present here to perform the culinary activity on our dish, Dal Petha and Balmishai. These are the dishes representing the state Bihar. As you can see, I have represented so many dishes of Bihar, but the most famous ones are these two. This is the dish which is having the origin from Patna, and this is the dish having the origin from Muzaffarnagar. These both are very famous all over the streets of Bihar. Now, I would like you to know about Dal Pitha. Why is it famous? Ashi will tell. It is famous because it's easy to make and healthy for diabetes patient and heart patient. Ashi, do you know it is having another name also? Yes, it is another name as Dal Ki Dulhan. Now grams sugar, 5 grams calories, 144.4 kilograms carbs, 16.1 grams fat, 8 grams and fiber, 0. Is the nourishment of the soul and the flavor of life. With this, a fantastic and flavorable good morning to our respected principals, the grades, our managers, and Chandrakala, the sweet dish of the Bihar. Now, my friends, tell you more about our dishes. Chana Bugri is a Bihari style dish made up of chickpeas. It is having high protein. Ingredients of chana.
all one and all present here. I, Shikha Bagel, standing with my group members Radhika, Ganika, Sakshi will continue.
Malpua. For making 10 malpuas, we need 1 cup of wheat flour, half cup of semolina, half cup of sugar. With my group members Ayushi, Fatma and Tanu, and we are here for represent delectable dishes of Madhya Pradesh.
Firstly, you have to roast sagu, and after that you have to soak for 3 to 4 hours. Boil some potatoes, fry some peanuts. Name of the Sabudana Vada.
Traffic pictures and teachers. I am Manish Yadav and my group members are Umra Khanam and Faiz Mohammed. And the dish which we have chosen for today's AIL program is Dal Bati. Dal Bati is a traditional delicacy of Rajasthan and it is also associated with the festival of Diwali and Makar Sankranti. It is also prepared on the special occasion of housewarming and marriage ceremony. It tastes distinct because of the pure ghee in which the batis are dipped. Now I would like to hand over mic to Umra.
I want to show you the nutritional value of dal bati. It is rich in minerals like vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, sodium, carbohydrates.
and it is the most popular dish in Madhya Pradesh. Thank you, dear sister, for this and all made your fellow mates. As you can see, we made dal pitha and balu sai. Dal pitha is popular rice flurry dumplings in Bihar. It is prepared using rice flour and spicy masala, lentil flake. The specialty of this dish is that it is gluten free and rich in protein. 0.9 grams and cholesterol 0 mg. Cholesterol 0 mg. Vitamin A 0.0 mg. And teacher and one and all present here. I, Poonam Thakur, student of class 9-3, standing here in front of you with my group members to represent culinary art. And our dishes are malpua and kheer. These are the famous dishes of Bihar. And Poonam, do you know about malpua? Yes, I know. Malpua, a sweet deep fried dish. Put in a sugar syrup is one of the India's most popular and the oldest dessert. It was approximately 5,000 years ago. Do you all know the fact about Malpua? That the food historians trace the Malpua to the Vedic era, approximately 5,000 years ago. This dish was known as the Apurpa in the ancient times. Now,
Thank to all of the sisters and the teachers present here. I, Kana Kopra Gade, the group leader of the Team 5, standing here with my teammates for the culinary art presentation. First of all, let us give a quick introduction of us. I am Kana Kopra Gade. I am Krishna Yadav.
I am Naitik Rawat. I am Adib Khan.
I am Shaurya Kushwaha. As you can see, there is spicy sattu, which is basically a black chickpea flour stuffed into the whole wheat dough balls called the litti. Litti is classically paired with the vegetable mashed of brinjal, potatoes, tomatoes, and with other ingredients such as onions, green chilies, garlic, lemon juice, and the great sense and a generous sense of mustard oil.
carbohydrate is 50 gram and protein is 10.5 gram, sugar is 5 gram and 11% vitamin C, 5% vitamin A and 2% calcium. Speaker Nema of class 9 behalf of my group members standing here to give a presentation on culinary art activities. Here, I want to introduce my group members. They are Fatima Khan, Mansi Dikshit, Krishna Dhakar and Parag Shukla of North India. It is called Bihari Deliciousy and one of the most frequently prepared breakfast or lunch in Bihar, Uttar Pradesh and few parts of Bengal. This healthy variety paratha is prepared with spicy and flavored sattu stuffing. The stuffing is inserted into the wheat dough portions and rolled out of parathas. The best part of this dish is that it will make you feel full for a long time. So it is always a great option for a heavy breakfast.
Daily diet. If you want to stay fit and disease free, so here are some health benefits of sattu. Natural summer color drink which made out of sattu is a great drink. It is to cool.
For culinary art activity. For today, we have chosen our dish as Bhutte ki Kiss. And for further information, I would like to hand over the mic to Himanshi.
Good morning to everyone. I am Himanshi and now I am going to tell about something Bhutte ka Kheer. Bhutte ka Kheer is a popular as well as delicious street food snack from Indore. This dish is prepared by sweet corn and it is simmered in the milk. Bhutta means
0.68, fat 16.05, fiber 2.26, minerals 0.89.
Culinary creation with you today. We have prepared Palak Puri, a famous food of Madhya Pradesh. So get ready to explore its flavors, ingredients and nutritional benefits in this presentation. Palak puri is a popular Indian dish that originates from North India. It is particularly in the states of Punjab and Haryana. It is a variation of traditional puri, which is a deep-fried Indian bread. The word palak refers to spinach, which is the main ingredient that gives its vibrant heat color and distinctive flavors.
The origin of the Palak Puri is traced back to the North India.
And for this, we have prepared a dish called Mawa Bati, which is a famous dish of Madhya Pradesh. Do you want to know the origin of Mawa Bati, its health benefits, nutrition values, etc.? So now, I will tell you Gulab Jamun. Mawa Bati is made up of Mawa dough and it's from Madhya Pradesh. It is soaked in sugar syrup and last, I want to thank all the sisters and teachers for giving their precious time to us. Thank you.